In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads. Google Ads tutorial for beginners. Let's get you set up the right way. Start by heading to the Google Ads homepage and click Start Now. Sign in with your Google account. Before the platform walks you into automated choices, switch to expert mode. This gives you full control. When prompted, choose Create a campaign without a goals guidance, so nothing gets pre-filled on your behalf. Before you run any ads, set up conversion tracking. This is critical because without it, you can't measure success. Go to Tools and Settings, then Conversions. Choose what counts as a conversion for you, website, phone calls, or app. Follow the prompts to install the Google tag on your site or use Google Tag Manager if you already have it. Once this is in place, you'll be able to see which clicks turn into real results. Now create your first campaign, click New Campaign, and pick a goal like leads, sales, or website traffic. Then choose Search as your campaign type. Search ads are best for beginners because they show up when people are actively looking for what you offer. Next, choose Networks. Keep Google Search Network on and uncheck Display Network to avoid wasting budget on lower intent placements. Set your targeting. Choose your target country or city. Then under location options, pick people in or regularly in your targeted locations. Select the language your customers use. For budget and bidding, enter a daily budget you're comfortable with. Start small and scale later. For bidding, use maximize clicks if your account is new. After you have data and conversion tracking working, switch to maximize conversions. Create ad groups by theme. One ad group per keyword theme keeps your ads tightly matched. For example, if your campaign is cleaning service, you might have one ad group for house cleaning and another for office cleaning. Add keywords using exact and phrase match to stay focused. For example, house cleaning service and house cleaning near me. Avoid broad match at the start so you don't pay for irrelevant queries. Build your responsive search ads with 10 to 15 headlines and 3 to 4 descriptions. Include your main keyword, a clear benefit, and a strong call to action like call now or book today. Add ad extensions, also called assets. Include site links, call outs, structured snippets, a call extension, and a location extension if relevant. These boost visibility, click-through rates, and quality score. Review everything carefully, fix any errors, and click publish. Your ad is live. Monitor performance for 3 to 5 days before making changes. Check CTR, conversions, cost per conversion, and search terms. Then optimize weekly. Add negative keywords, pause high-cost keywords with no conversions, improve ad copy, and adjust your budget gradually.